Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to this channel. In the class today, we're going to learn about the Replit, how you can development using languages on this Replit, or mobile application development using Python, a step-by-step guide to building Kiwi apps in Replit. Introduction to mobile app development. Overview of mobile development. Mobile development encompasses creating applications for mobile devices, focusing on user experience and functionality. Framework like Kiwi allow developers to build apps for multiple platforms, including iOS and Android, from a single code base. You can use Kiwi to build apps for you, for example, for Android or for iOS. Importance of Python in mobile apps. Python has gained popularity in mobile app development due to its simplicity and robust libraries like Kiwi. It enables rapid prototyping, which significantly reduces the time to market for developers. I think you know about the popularity of Python language. Brief introduction to Kiwi. Kiwi is a powerful Python library designed for developing multi-touch applications. It supports various platforms and provides extensive features ideal for interactive application development. If you use Python language, you can use library its name Kiwi, and in there you can use that library for you to develop your application. Setting up your Replit environment. Creating a new project. To start, navigate to replit.com. Create a new project, select Python as the programming language, and name your project such as Kiwi mobile app to reflect its purpose clearly. You can create name, for example, Kiwi mobile app on Replit. You can write on your browser with name replit.com, and then you start with give name, for example, Kiwi mobile app, and select programming language. Select programming language Python. Selecting Python as the languages. Using Python is essential as it's the primary programming language used by Kiwi. By selecting it, developers ensure compatibility with Kiwi's multi-touch capabilities for mobile application. You can select on this dashboard on a Replit. You select this programming language, its name Python, on this dashboard replit.com. Installing Kiwi in Replit. Since Kiwi is not pre-installed in Replit, it is necessary to install it manually. This can be done through the Shell tab by executing the command pip install Kiwi, enabling access to Kiwi's functionalities. Before you use that library the first time, you have to install that library, its name Kiwi, into your dashboard. And the first, you go to the Shell tab, and then you type pip install Kiwi. You can see on this dashboard the interface like this. You write on here pip install Kiwi, and then after you write this code, you write this syntax and then enter to install library on your dashboard. Building your first Kiwi application. Writing your first Kiwi code. Begin by creating a basic Kiwi application in the main.py file. Utilize the Kiwi library to define your app's structure. An example is now create a button that displays Hello Kiwi as its label, showcasing how to return UI elements in Kiwi. For example, if you want to test or you want to start with code, for example, you want to write Hello Kiwi, you can write code on here on this file main.py, and then you write this code. After that, you can click run button in here position, and then you can see the result of your code. Understanding the Kiwi app structure. A Kiwi application begins with the app class, which is the core of your application. The build method organizes the interface components, returning widgets like buttons or layout. Understanding this structure is crucial for developing more complex applications. You have to understand how the structure of Kiwi app to know the complex structure next time. Running and testing the app in Replit. To test your Kiwi application, click the Run button in Replit. This action triggers the execution of your Python code, displaying the Kiwi UI in a desktop window, providing a preliminary check on functionality before mobile deployment. Before you move your file into your phone, you have to test this your code is success or not. You can see on this preview on dashboard Replit. You can see on this the result of your code. Hello Kiwi. Packaging and deploying your app. Building for Android with Bulldozer. Bulldozer simplifies the process of packaging Kiwi application for Android. By installing Bulldozer on a Linux machine and running a few commands, developers can produce an APK file ready for installation on Android phone. Okay, you can use Bulldozer to process of packaging Kiwi application for your Android. Setting up for iOS with Xcode. To packaging Kiwi apps for iOS, Xcode is necessary for Mac OS user. The process includes setting up a development environment and adhering to specific requirements outlined in the Kiwi documentation for iOS compatibility. Limitation of Replit for mobile development. Replit is limited in its capability to emulate mobile applications accurately. It does not support direct compilation for mobile devices nor the mobile UI testing that developers require during the app development process. Alternative approaches for mobile development. For mobile app development requiring back-end services, consider using Replit for back-end API development alongside mobile frameworks like React Native or Flutter for the front end. This separation allows for more robust and mobile app architecture. Okay, I will give you the conclusion of learning today. Packaging and deploying mobile apps requires understanding specific tools and environment. Both Bulldozer for Android and Xcode for iOS are essential for successful app deployment, while acknowledging the limitations of using Replit for comprehensive deployment. I hope you understand what I am saying today. If you have any question about this, about mobile application deployment using Python in Replit, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.